Let's go to Wonderland!
Yeah, hello mga kabayan. Kami po ay pupunta sa Canada Wonderland and maraming salamat sa nag-sponsor ng ticket. Kasi medyo mahal. Alam naman pag malaki pamilya mo, mahirap lumabas, mahirap kumain. 6 kami kaya multiplied by 6. So thank you sa nagbigay, sa nag-sponsor for blessing us. And yeah, we're on our way. Napakalamig ngayon. Titignan ko nga kung may mga bukas ba na rides doon? Paano ba yun? Malalaman natin mamaya.
Alam nyo ba na ang Canada's Wonderland is the largest theme park in Canada and it's one of the most visited in North America. Canada's Wonderland is located in Vaughan, Ontario. At ngayon pupunta tayo sa kanilang Winterfest which runs from November 16 to January 4.
$30 for parking plus tax.
How is that a party?
$3.45, di almost $35 na for parking.
Tickets for Winterfest usually cost between 30 to 40 Canadian dollars. You can often find holiday discounts if you buy early. So if you're thinking about visiting multiple times in a year, just get a season pass kasi mas makakamura dun.
Lamig. Ngayon ay -10. First time namin pupunta rito. At chicken lang to sa mga taga Calgary at taga Winnipeg, pero sa mga taga Toronto, yung -10 ay napakalamig. Salamat ulit sa sponsor at nagbigay ng ticket. At maranasan namin makapunta sa Canada's Wonderland.
No food is allowed inside, pero pwedeng magdala ng mga refillable water containers. Print your tickets, or if you can download the app, please do. Kasi may interactive map that can help you locate rides and shows. The park is 330 acres, so sobrang laki. So make sure to wear comfortable shoes.
Di pa po kami nakakalayo. Mga 5 minutes walk pa lang.
Niligas na yung mga...
Sabi ko kay Monchin, magkaka-hypothermia ako sa kamay, kaka-video. Naninigas na po yung mga kamay ko.
Throughout the park, there are lots of pop-up shops where you can buy hot coffee or chocolate or just stay there to be warm.
Ito pag nagtitipid ka, order ka ng 2 malaki, 2 20, tapos hingi ka ng mga maliliit na cups. Good for 6 people.
Isa sa mga pinupuntahan dito yung kanilang ice skating. You can bring your own skates or rent for about 10 Canadian dollars. Ito naman yung Wonder Mountain Guardian. Kaya lang, close siya for winter. Dahil sobrang lamig, maraming mga fire pits na ganito na nakakalat all throughout the park. And this is really very helpful, lalo na kapag naninigas na yung mga kamay mo. There's lots of live performances and shows, so better check the app for time and
Who
location.
wants to join us for some polar party games? Does anyone want to play some?
Sasakay kayo dyan? Hindi mo ba piniyaya ako sa akin?
Talaga namang nag-enjoy ang mga bata sa mga rides.
Ganito pala ang feeling ng red chicks. Ikaw, nasan red chicks mo?
It was -10 that day and unfortunately, the cold got to us. Hindi pala totoo yung the cold never bothered me anyway. Dahil hindi kami dressed warmly enough. Hindi enough ang aming mga winter gears. So we needed to go home early. But at the end of the day, we are so very thankful, grateful for this experience. For sure, babalik kami dito. Till our next adventure!